This video shows how to replace the imaging unit for the Xerox B410 printer. The imaging unit is accessible from the front of the printer. Press the button on the right side of the printer to open Door A. Remove the toner cartridge from the printer. Remove the used imaging unit from the printer. Unbox and remove the packaging material from the new imaging unit. Remove the outer protective cover of the imaging unit. Remove the plastic tapes and red loop from both the sides of the imaging unit. Do not expose the imaging unit to direct light for more than 10 minutes after removing the cover. Extended exposure to light may cause print quality problems. Do not touch the photoconductor drum. Doing so may affect the quality of future print jobs. Shake 3 times to redistribute the toner. Insert the new imaging unit into the printer. Insert the toner cartridge back into the printer. Close Door A until it clicks.